In the beginning, we welcome you to our channel, and to learn more useful technical tricks and tips, do not hesitate to subscribe to their channel. Hello. Here in this video, we will talk about the simple and practical way to send unlimited messages on WhatsApp directly and smoothly with any type of lists of contacts, whether they are on Excel or even a notepad. Here, we will download the simple extension for the Google Chrome browser, which allows us to do that, knowing that there are many programs and solutions options. But our experience has the advantage of this add-on, which we will address, as it allows sending an unlimited number without the need to register or pay for any service. We'll start by following these steps. First, we go to the Chrome browser, and through the Google search engine, we search for the extension as WA-Send, a free bulk messaging Chrome extension. You'll be on the list of primary results as follows. Click on it here, which appears in this way and shape. We are working on adding and activating it within Chrome. Now we are working on installing them, which only requires pressing the install button. After that, we find it among the additions here. When it is installed and ready, we must log in to the web WhatsApp and log the income through the link web.whatsapp.com and scan the QR code through the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Now we are ready to send any amount of messages by simply pasting the numbers here after selecting the country and pressing the send button. Have you ever needed to use this feature before? Here, we hope that this information will be useful to you, and do not be stingy about registering for their channel.